In this video, we're going to go over how to set up a keyword campaign in the funnel builder. We're in Funnel Studio here. A keyword campaign is a trigger that if somebody texts that keyword to your phone number, then that will trigger the campaign to start. So let's go ahead and jump in, and we'll just call this one a test. Now again, we're in the Funnel Studio. You're just going to test. Now you can use any keyword you want, and this is good for various. You can use it for various advertisements. So you have a keyword on a YouTube video. You could have keywords on different signs. If you're a realtor and you have signs out, you can have a keyword for each home that you have. There's lots of different ways that you would use a keyword. So let's go ahead and we're going to choose keyword as the trigger, and we're going to type in the keyword. So we'll say, we'll just say test. Again, this can be anything you want. It has to be a single word, and it can't be yes or no or stop. Yes, no, and stop are protected keywords by the carrier, used for various things like opting out and things like that. So you can't use those as keywords, but anything else typically is okay. Subscribe and unsubscribe, I don't think will work either. So we'll go ahead and use test. We'll go ahead and save the trigger. Actually, you don't do that yet. Go to new action. Now, what's going to happen is the person is going to text in the keyword. And what we want to do is respond to them with a text message. So we're going to go ahead and send a text message. And we can say something like, hey, thank you. Thank you for your interest in such an, XYZ product, or service. Here's a link to our free video, or whatever it is that you offered in the ad that you would send them if they sent you that keyword. Typically, we want to change this to anytime, because somebody might text that keyword at night and we want to respond to them the moment that they send in that keyword. So we're going to hit save, and now you'll see that the funnel has been configured successfully. So now if somebody texts in the keyword test, they will receive that text message right away. If I want to add more actions, I can do that. If I want to put them into a long-term drip or something like that, I can do that as well. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how you could use the trigger keyword with or text message with a name to collect a little more information. So we're going to create this exactly the same, except in this text message, we're going to say something like, hi, thank you for your interest in XYZ product or service. What is your name? Question mark. Okay. We're going to hit save. Now, we're going to create a new trigger because the person's going to respond with their name. So we're going to use text message received name. Okay. Now, we're going to respond again with another text message that says, hi, hashtag first name. Here's that video I promised. And then you put in a link. Okay. So there's a link right there. Okay, now again, we want these to go off the moment that came in. We're going to save that action. So to recap, what's happening here is the lead is texting in a keyword from any various ad that you have out there, whether that's a YouTube video or a sign, a billboard. Some people use it for lead generation for gyms that they leave things at restaurants and things like that. All different ways that you're generating leads. So somebody texts in the keyword, the system will automatically respond with a text message that asks for their name. When they respond with their name, they will then receive another text message with the trackable link, the information that you want to send them. What's really cool about that is now you've collected their name and their phone number all automatically. And then we can start another funnel that continues to drip messages on them. So if we wanted to start another funnel after we've collected their information, we could choose new action and we could apply another funnel at that point. So there's a lot of really cool things that you can do with keywords. Obviously, post in the mastermind group if you have questions or if you have ideas that you want to share, or you want somebody to go over that idea. We'd be happy to look at it.